smelly men disgust me.
Evil spirits loom around.
Have you ever been to San Fierro?
Carl! You're a fucking hero down in LS. I just spoke to my cousin.
Not with my people, I ain't. Shit's still fucked up. Man, I got homies I used to run with that turned they back on me over this.
Yeah, well, what are you gonna do, huh?
Fucking Ryder, man. That was my homie. And I killed him.
Fucking midget deserved it, eh? Little asshole tried to bang your sister, you know that?
No. For real? Shit. Maybe you right then, man, but...
Cheer the fuck up! You're going soft on me, man. You did something good, eh?
Yes, you did. But this isn't over yet.
What you mean?
Well, your former friends have a factory. And the way I see it, if you take that out, you will have put them out of business for good.
Yeah.
CJ,
Who is this?
I work for Woozy. He told me to call you.
Alright, what's up?
I'm rigging a car with explosives so you can take out the crack factory. Drop around the garage downtown.
Cool. I'll be at you in a minute. Hey, man, is it ready?
She's all set. Get in. She's packing enough to take out that crack lab. I've wired in a delay timer to give you time to get out.
Cool. Good looking.
It's a hit! Blast the moron! Open the gate! Holy shit! Oh.
fuck is he doing?
Hey, get me.
Man, that's a big vato ese.
Ah, man, get out of here.
Hey, you must want chingazos, puto.
Yeah, what?
Sorry, Carl, are you busy?
Zero? Nah, man, good to hear from you. What's up?
Disaster! My landlord is selling the shop. I'll have nowhere to live and no safe haven from Berkeley.
Ah, I'm looking to invest in some property at the moment. Maybe I'll swing by.
That Pluto better stop calling him. Girl, you're fine.
Yeah, what?
Yo, man, it's Jethro, dude.
Hey, Jethro, what up?
Well, I was talking to Caesar and, well, don't get me wrong, dude. I mean, you are one out there dude when it comes to driving, man. But Caesar, he told us how many cars you get through, dude. And me and Dwayne were like, whoa!
What is your point, Jethro?
No point, man, no point. Just that there's an advanced driving school, like, just up the road from the garage, man. Like in Doherty.
Driving school? Man, exactly what you trying to say, man?
Nothing, man, nothing. It was Dwayne's idea. I think you're, you know, cool and shit. I better go, CJ. I'll see you later.
Hell yeah, the puta madre, you're like getting scratched. Claro que sí, definitely, man.
I'm here when you need me.
See you later, vato. Hiya.
Hey there, chula.
Not looking good at all.
Yeah, real bad, man.
Speak on it.
This is a friend of yours.
Chale.
See you
I got some information relating to your brother. Come to my ranch and I'll explain. It's in Tierra Robata, across the Garber Bridge, head south.
Who the fuck is this?
I can't talk right now. Get your ass over here.
Mom's always told me not to talk to strangers.
And look what happened to the bitch. Now, if you want your brother to go to sleep tonight with his tongue intact, get your ass over here. Goodbye.
Hi, hot stuff.
Hiya.
Find what sucks.
I know what you mean.
You're going
Hija mía, nalgas firmes. ¿Qué rifas, hija? ¿Me conoces?
Hey, give me a hit of that shit.
Hija mía, nalgas firmes.
Come on, man, move.
No soy de rifas, hija, ¿me conoces?
¿Qué onda, homie?
Hija mía, nalgas firmes.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?